My name is Ashir Kirk. I am the founder and executive director of Measured Tones Institute of Quran. Measured Tones Institute of Quran is an educational organization that focuses on teaching the Tajweed of the Quran, the proper recitation of the Quran, for the purposes of continuing the preservation of the Quran with excellence. The goal of Measured Tones is pretty straightforward and simple. On the one hand, we want to simply teach the proper recitation of the Quran, creating accessibility for underprivileged Muslims. So I believe that Measured Tones is important to the community for the reasons I stated. But there's also another component based on feedback that I've gotten from African-American students of mine in the past and present. They've stated that me being African-American and also being a teacher of Quran was something that was very important to them and their children. I came up hearing about certain intensives and programs that I had wished to attend, but my family couldn't afford to attend them. And so that very easily pushed me in the direction of nonprofit so that I could, provide that. Another motivation of mine for starting Measured Tones Institute of Quran was definitely my family and establishing a family legacy of serving Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through the Quran. And so, alhamdulillah, Measured Tones, I'm hoping that Measured Tones will allow me to be able to do that, inshallah. At the completion of our program, seekers should expect to leave with a noticeable improvement in their recitation of the Quran, because we definitely take very seriously the prophetic tradition that states, خَيْرُكُم مَّن تَعَلَّمَ الْقُرْآنَ وَعَلَّمَهُ, that the best of you is the one who learns the Quran and teaches it. So we do hope that many of our students go on to become teachers as well, inshallah. To date, we've had a lot of support from donors all over the world, alhamdulillah, primarily in the US, but really from all over. We heavily depend on our donors to provide scholarships, right? To help us provide this accessibility to underprivileged Muslims. Primarily what we use the donations for are the scholarships more than anything. We use their resources to help cover the costs of students who typically would not be able to afford our classes. And of course, some of those resources will go to making sure that our teachers are paid as well as our staff. Another thing that we are challenged with in the Muslim community is the issue of adequate pay for our religious teachers and particularly our Quran teachers. And so through starting Measured Tones Institute, I also sought to sort of combat that problem and provide adequate pay to our teachers. Alhamdulillah, we've committed to paying a minimum of $20 an hour to all of our teachers. And to our donors, I would like to say, past and present, I would like to thank them tremendously for helping us get to where we are right now. And we are fully transparent. We provide financial reports to our donors. We're fully 501c3, and so you can write off all of your donations on your taxes, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khaira, and thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Stay tuned. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. We hope to see you, we hope to meet you, learn with you, and grow with you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.